5:30, an Indiana man who expressed his obsession with the disappearance of IU student Lauren Spierer will not get his guns back.
It's a first-of-its-kind ruling on Indiana's Jake Laird law, allowing police to seize guns from some people with mental illness. RTV6 anchor Erica Fly has details for us. Erica.
Jenna, these 49 pages from the Indiana Court of Appeals today hold the Jake Laird law is constitutional, that cops can seize weapons from those with mental illness who pose a threat to society. But they also reveal new information about how one man's obsession with the Lauren Spierer case caught their attention. It was August of last year. Bloomington police found a man in the parking garage across from Kilroy Sports Bar. He had with him a loaded handgun, a loaded shotgun, and a rangefinder that he had pointed at the bar. He began talking to officers at the scene about the case of Lauren Spierer, who disappeared after a night of drinking at Kilroy's in June 2011. His bizarre behavior led officers to take those weapons and weapons from his Indianapolis home, even though he wasn't facing criminal charges.
It was prudent to not only do the immediate detention, but also take steps to avert a possible tragedy by imposing what's commonly referred to as the Jake Laird law. Got judicial approval to seize those weapons, and they were in fact taken.
The Jake Laird law passed after the 2004 killing of the Metro police officer in an ambush on the south side, allowing officers to take away the weapons of people with mental illness who pose a current or future threat to the public. The Court of Appeals today calls the law constitutional, saying it is not too vague. Their ruling also provides new insights into those comments that raised suspicion. The suspect told officers that he had been looking for Lauren Spierer and wanted to avenge her. He also explained his obsession with Spierer and his belief that he had met her and Corey Rossman, one of the last people to see Lauren alive. He also spoke about visiting a strip club and paying a stripper resembling Spierer to answer questions, and based on her responses thought, could she put up a fight? Could she do anything? Could she run? What could she do? Now, that person, who we have chosen not to name because he was never charged with a crime, also told authorities he thought Lauren would come back and he would see her either through spirit or body. His attorney tells RTV6 they are disappointed in the ruling and do plan to appeal to the Supreme Court.